Okay, now, remember the first sections that we go over? They're always just defining terms, aren't they? We're learning lots of new terms, okay? We learned about polyhedrons and pyramids and prisms today, okay? Now this part, we're going to learn about the parts of a solid, okay, or a polyhedron. The polygons that are the sides of a polyhedron are called faces, okay? How many faces does this shape have? How many faces does it have, Rowan?
5.
It has 5, right? It's got the bottom, it's got the front, the right, the left side, and then back there is the back side. So it's got 5 faces, okay? So what would the name of this thing be if it had 5 faces? What type of polyhedron? Vivian? I'm sorry? No, hexahedron would be 6 faces. Isabella? Pentahedron, because it's got 5 faces, okay? All right, so we know what the faces are. Those are just the sides that make up the solid, all right? The line segments where the faces meet are called edges, all right? So let's look at this. That's 1 edge, 2 edges, 3 edges, 4 edges, 5 edges, 6 edges, 7 edges, 8 edges. So faces, 5, edges, 8, okay? And now it says each point where the edges meet is called a vertex. And if there's more than one, we say, what do we say? Vertices. Nice job, Hannah. Well done. Okay? All right, so we've got more than one vertex. We've got several vertices. Let's see how many. I'm going to write vertices right there. Okay? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that it? Is that it?
Yeah.
5 vertices. Now, everybody know what we're talking about when we say edges, faces, and vertices, yes? All right, let's go down here and look at this. Okay? It says, count the faces, vertices, and edges of the polyhedrons. We've got 4 of them here at the top of the page. I went ahead and put them in front of us. What patterns can you find? All right, well, let's see. Let's deal with the rectangular prism first. Raise your hand. How many faces does it have? Barry. It has 6. Top, bottom, front, back, left, right. 6 faces. How many vertices does it have? How many vertices does it have? Elizabeth? 8, right? 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top. How many edges does it have? I don't know. Okay, I think I've got it. What do you think, Aiden?
8.
Is it 8?
12.
12, I think, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. All right, let's go ahead and count through some other ones. Rowan, how many faces for the triangular prism? 5 faces. How many vertices? No. How many vertices, Elise? Is it 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I like it. And how many edges? How many edges? Aiden?
9.
3 on top, 3 on the bottom, and then the 3 connecting them. Okay, so 9. All right. Rectangular pyramid. Let's get that one done. Allie, how many faces?
5.
5 faces. How many vertices?
5.
5. 4 on the bottom and 1 on the top. How many edges?
8.
8, didn't it? 4 on the bottom and then 4 leading up to the point. Okay. All right. Now, Emily, what about the triangular pyramid there? How many faces?
4.
4 faces. How many vertices? Anybody? Evan?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And then how many edges? How many edges? Elise? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now, it says you should follow the following pattern. Do you see that the number of faces and the sum of the number of faces and vertices is always 2 more than the edges? This is 14. You know what I'm going to do it in?